In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new method on how you can make money online just by using your voice. It's actually really easy, as you won't be needing to do anything else besides reading some text by using your voice. You don't need to make any investments or pay for any fees, but you'll be needing a microphone to record the voiceover. Actually, you can do it even using your phone's or computer's microphone. The website, which I'm also going to show you, and where you are going to start making money by reading scripts, is absolutely free for everyone from anywhere around the world to access. With this new strategy, you have the possibility to start earning hundreds and even thousands of dollars. And if you'd want, you can turn it into passive income. Due to this, you can quit your daily job and become financially free by going traveling and spending more time with your loved ones. Who wouldn't love to live this kind of lifestyle? I'm pretty sure that everyone would. That's why I recommend you to watch the entire video and follow my every step in order to not miss any important details, as I truly want to help you start making money online. You can now continue watching this video. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where I teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns or questions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The first step you can now take is going to this website, that is voices.com. And as you can read over here, they are the #1 marketplace for voiceover and audio production. Basically, Voices is a job search website focusing on voice sectors and voice sector employers. Here they say that at voices.com you can hire professional voiceover actors, audio producers, musicians, or translators for your creative project. Over here, you can see that Voices is a very popular website and trusted by a lot of well-known world's biggest brands and agencies, such as Shopify, Microsoft, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, GoDaddy, and so many more. As you have realized yourself by now that this is a very trustful website and you don't need to worry about not receiving your earnings. Also, there are several payment methods you can choose from, such as bank transfer, PayPal, and so many more. When you have finished your work at voices.com, then your earnings will be automatically released to you via PayPal or check. And the best part is that they even pay the PayPal fee for you. I'm sure you're also wondering how much you will be able to earn by reading scripts at voices.com. To find an answer to that question, you can simply scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on project types in here. And then on the next page, you need to scroll over here to click on rates and pricing. You'll be then taken to this page where you can see the pricing table, which shows that if you read at least a 2 minutes long script with the maximum 300 words of it, you will earn from $100 to $500. And if you read from 2 to 5 minutes, then you'll earn from $200 to over $700. And you can just look through the rest of the table here and see that the earning potential on this website is quite huge. I highly recommend you to try out this method, as you could see yourself that you can start earning a pretty decent amount of money in here. But before you're going to start earning money at voices.com, you need to know what steps exactly you need to take in order to start making money on this site. You can now click on this section here that says, How it works. After doing that, you'll be taken to this next page where clicking on Talent in here, you can see all 4 steps that will tell you what exactly you need to do to start earning money on this website. Over here, you can see that step number 1 says, you first need to create yourself a free account and then upload samples of your voiceover. Here they say that creating a Voices profile is always free and allows you to showcase all the voiceover, audio production, music, and translation skills you can offer. Uploading samples of your best work allows you to show up in client searches and show them what you're capable of. Once you have completed this step, then you can head over to the next one, that is replying to jobs. You will receive private invitations from clients who find your profile searching the Voices marketplace. Each job invite comes with a description of what the client wants and their budget. Submit your response with a custom or existing sample, a brief proposal, and your quote, all in a matter of minutes. When you go over to the third step, which is getting hired and doing the work, is the easiest one of them all. Here it says that you can use their purpose-built and intuitive platform to manage all aspects of the project, including reviewing and agreeing to the project details before you start, chatting directly with the client via private messaging, managing revisions, and uploading files. And the last step is the one I love the most, that is getting paid. Over here, they say that you never need to chase down payment again with SurPay our free payment protection service. While you work, your pay is held safely by Voices and released automatically to you via PayPal once the work is done. And as I mentioned earlier, they even pay the PayPal fees for you. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Doing voiceover is a good way on how to make a pretty good amount of money on this website. Actually, Voices.com offers many other options on how to make money on their site. When you scroll here and click on All Services, then you can see that there are all these other services that offer different job opportunities. Here are audio production, music, and translation. And when you click on one of these, then you can see subcategories under each of them where you can find jobs to apply to. Although there are so many other ways and opportunities on how to make money at Voices.com, I still do believe that doing voiceovers is the best and actually the most paying ones on this site. It is the time when you need to create yourself a free account. And to do that, you need to click on this Sign Up button here. After clicking on it, you'll be redirected to this page where you have 3 options to create your account. You can sign up with your email address, Google, or Apple account. You can simply choose between one of these. Next on, you need to fill in your name and password. Then you need to click on this option here, I want to work as a freelancer. You also need to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy by clicking here. And finally, click here to finish signing up. Once you have successfully created your account and signed in, then here you can see your dashboard, where you can also see all these different categories of industries you can start working in. You can simply choose between advertising, broadcasting, education, and so many more. But let me tell you a secret. The ones that you should be focusing on and which pay the most are advertising, education, and gaming. Besides them being the most paying ones, the tasks for these categories are also much easier than in the other ones in here. Now, if you click on advertising, then you can see here are so many voiceover talents all over the world. And they all have so many good reviews and high ratings, as you can see yourself. Let me share a bonus tip with you. I recommend doing jobs that are at least 30 minutes long or even longer. This way, you will earn the most money on this website. You can see the jobs that are currently offered by going to this section here that says Jobs and then click on Hiring. Here you can see all the available jobs to which you can start applying to. You can just select the one you like the best. Simply apply to it and then start reading the script and do the voiceover using whichever device you prefer. Once you have finished the job and submitted it to your client, you can expect the earnings instantly being transferred to your account. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.